Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 11th, and this is my analysis of the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm still definitely looking at this as possibly making an uptrend. I still think it's more likely that it is going to go up, take out these highs, probably go all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. And looking at correlated pairs, especially the dollar and the euro, it still looks to me like it could be like a wave C, almost like a running wave C or an expanding flat wave C. And after that's complete, it may actually make a bigger move to the downside. But this is the monthly time frame, going to take a very, very long time to play out. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, looks like a wave one. I still think this looks like a running flat because it has 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 5 waves down. Higher high wave B, higher high wave C. Definitely fits the characteristics of a running flat wave two. If that's the case, then that means this is a one. That means this is a two, and that means that this could just keep on going up for the wave three to form that pattern I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it still looks to me like a complete pattern. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I have here looks like a wave one. This looks like an A, B, C, D, E correction for like a wave two. It seems to me like we are very likely in a wave three, and if that is the case on these higher time frames, it will continue to make higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows on the daily time frame and up, and it will be a wave three. Now we do have CPI coming out tomorrow, so it's going to be interesting to see what CPI does to these dollar pairs. Hopefully, it continues to push it up so that way we can help confirm that it really is a wave three. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I mean, it still looks like a wave one. It still looks like a wave two. If this is a wave three, we are right at the 61.8% Fibonacci extension of wave one projected out the bottom of wave two, which is a very likely area for a wave three to end, which actually may tell us that this may stretch out into a little bit of a bigger pattern, which would make a lot of sense to me, especially with CPI coming out tomorrow, if it actually looked like this prior to the news tomorrow, and then it just kept on trending up from there. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, I have my Fibonacci retracement on here from here to here, but if this really is the end of a wave three, then this actually will stretch out into a bigger correction, probably will even go down and take out this low like a wave four. Now, if this is looking like this at tomorrow's CPI news, and I think it's very likely that tomorrow's CPI news will cause this to continue up for a wave five or possibly a subdivision of a much bigger trend, because like I said, it looks like it should be a wave three on like the weekly and monthly time frames, which means that this may just be a subdivision. It may not even be a wave four and a wave five. It may just be a subdivision of a much bigger uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.